Welcome to this DelfStack tutorial. Today we will learn how to convert numpy.datetime64 to Python's datetime.datetime object. We'll cover different methods step by step to help you understand the process. This tutorial will cover 3 methods to perform this conversion. We will discuss the astype function, the timestamp function from Pandas, and the UTC from timestamp function. In NumPy, datetime64 objects are useful for numerical computations involving dates and times. However, sometimes we need to convert them to Python's datetime objects for compatibility with standard libraries. Let's get started. The first and simplest method to achieve this is using the astype function. The astype function in NumPy allows type conversion. Here we use it to convert datetime64 to an object. Let's take a look at an example. In this code, we first convert datetime64 to seconds precision by specifying datetime64 square brackets s in the astype function, ensuring compatibility. Then we convert it to an object by specifying o in the function, which results in a Python datetime object. Another reliable way to convert numpy.datetime64 to datetime is by using pandas. Timestamp is a pandas function that creates timestamp objects and to PyDatetime converts them into Python's datetime objects. Let's see this method. Here we use timestamp function to create a timestamp from numpy.datetime64, then call to PyDatetime to get a datetime.datetime object. This ensures high accuracy and maintains full datetime precision. This approach is useful when working with pandas and ensures high compatibility. If you prefer a pure Python approach without pandas, you can use the UTC from timestamp function from the datetime library. This method first converts datetime64 to an integer timestamp. The UTC from timestamp function from Python's datetime module converts a Unix timestamp to a datetime.datetime object in UTC. Let's write the code for this. Here we first convert datetime64 to an integer Unix timestamp using astype function, then UTC from timestamp reconstructs the corresponding to datetime.datetime. This method is efficient and doesn't require additional libraries, making it great for lightweight applications. However, note that it assumes UTC time. So to recap, we've explored 3 different methods to convert numpy.datetime64 to Python's datetime.datetime. First, we use the astype function, which is simple and effective for quick conversions. Second, we use pandas timestamp and to PyDatetime, which are highly compatible when working with pandas and ensure precise conversions. Finally, we use datetime UTC from timestamp, a pure Python approach useful for working with timestamps and lightweight applications. Depending on your project, you can choose the method that best fits your needs. Remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Also, check out the website delfstack.com for articles on Python tutorials.